Can you guess what we're doing today? Today we're dyeing my hair. This is the shirt I used to like bleach and dye my hair because my other one got lost. I don't know what happened to it, so. As you can see, it's already been dyed. We're dyeing it again, obviously, because right now it's ginger. We're dyeing it my favorite color, blue. I'm so happy. I already have the stuff. We went to Sally's today to buy the stuff. We got this bleach kit because I wasn't gonna buy the expensive one. So I got After Midnight, another one. And at Sally's, if you buy two, you get one for free. So this is for my brother because I also got his hair pink like a couple weeks ago, and I think he's gonna want like a gradient from pink to red. Wow! Before I open this bleach, I'm gonna use the rest of this one because I don't want to run out. So we have our bowl, our brush. This is the one we got with another kit. So yeah, we have a comb too. So I added the bleach powder in here. I'm gonna take the 30 developer, and this is a 1-to-1 ratio on the package. So I just use the scoop it came with. I like pour it in there, all be. So I'm just gonna mix it. I don't want to make so much mess because I really don't want to waste it. Okay, I know this is weird, but I have a love and hate smell with hair bleach.
Brother,
I don't know if I can hear that. Hopefully I can't, because I don't want it copyrighted and I don't want to be doing this in silence. This time my mom does know what I'm doing. And I think it's just time for a change. Like, I like the ginger and I got multiple compliments, but I don't know. I get bored easily. Also, hopefully y'all can hear me good because I'm not using a tripod or anything. I'm using this tape and you're on a mirror right now. The thing is, with doing my hair, it's hard because I can't see the back. So I hope it's gonna come out good. I don't know, is this too like pasty? I think it's too pasty. We're gonna add some more developer. Oh, gloves. I need gloves. Hello, Chris. Well, I can't find the gloves. So hopefully this comes with gloves. I don't think it does. Okay, they do come gloves. They're inside the thing, so I have to open it. So now we're just gonna get started. I have to do the ends first and then work your way up. So I'm a professional, guys.
oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass.
I'm trying to go as fast as I can. It's a little hard to do this on your own. Make sure you don't get, I'm trying to make sure I don't get on my, scalp or my forehead. Siblings want us to go to Joann's. Because since they're closing down, they're having like a sale. I don't know if they're closing down forever. Like, for everywhere, I mean. But I know they're closing down for my city. But yeah, I don't know if I can hear that noise. It's like, oops. I went to Joann's. I got out with my sister. And we're in the yarn section because she crochets. And she's crocheting her friend like, I don't know, something. She's crocheting him something. I don't know what it is, but whatever. So while we're looking at the yarn, they're having a sale, right? And yarn's 25% off. So she's looking at the yarn. I'm sitting there with her. My phone's on the verge of death. And there's this lady, old lady. And she stops my sister. She's like, am I doing this correctly? And she's trying to what's the word? Calculate how much each yarn's gonna cost because of the sale. And so my sister's like, ooh, I'm bad at math. Sorry, girl. And she's like, oh, you're not a math person? And she's like, no. And obviously I am, because I'm smart. And so I was like, yeah, like I got you, let me see. And I was like, how much percentage, like, are you looking for? Because she wasn't doing yarn, she was doing like something else. And so she was telling me, she's like, is this right? And I was like, yeah. I was like, let me see. And I was like, yeah, that seems right. And I was basically teaching her how to redo it again because she's old, obviously she's gonna forget. And she was telling me like a different way she could do it and how it's like faster. And I was like, I was just agreeing with her because I was gonna let you know, like, oh no, you're wrong. It was a little faster, but it's the same thing essentially. Like, yeah, so I helped her with that. She was really sweet. She complimented my hair, my ginger hair, and I was like, oh, thank you. But I was like, I didn't tell her that I was gonna change it because it was literally gonna change in a couple hours. I don't know. What do you guys think about dyeing hair? Like, I love doing it. I remember when I was little, I wanted to be like into cosmetology, like go to cosmetology school. But then I grew up and I was like, no. I mean, I've done hair by myself before. I've done like half black, half red. But obviously I use box dyes. It's the first time I'm actually using like actual hair dye and actual bleach. My hair gonna be damaged. So. Do I care that it's damaged? No. Because you know what? You'll only live once. So yeah, so you can't live scared. Because if you live scared, then you're just gonna be scared your whole life and you're gonna regret it. Yes, people can judge you, but like, what are they gonna do at the end of the day? Like at the end of the day, you're not gonna see them. So, YOLO, just go for it. Am I doing good, guys? My eyeballs. So, Grandma sees this, but she probably won't, because I don't think he even does this anymore. I haven't watched him in like ages. He'll be like, what the frick? See this part? Like, I know that part's not... I know that part is not covered. I know I have to get my hair to a light, really, like a super, super light blonde. Because I do not want it to come out green. If it comes out green, I'm so mad. I also want to start posting on TikTok more. Like, influencer-ish. I think it's fun. I I know some people want to become influencers, like, be famous, but I do it because it's... I want to do it because it's fun. You know what I mean? Like, I can just be my true self. Like, yeah, there's going to be haters, but who cares? Okay, I think it's good. Hopefully it's good. So yeah, I wanted to use the rest of this bleach first. So I know I have enough bleach so I can make sure my hair is light enough for the blue. Okay, we're gonna let this sit for, I don't know, 30 minutes. And then it gives me this, so I'm just gonna put this on. Yeah, so after this, we're gonna wash it out, do the roots. I don't know, but I'm excited. I'm really excited. I still have the Manic Panic bleach, which is good because if I already ran out of this one. See, because I'm smart. I'm smart like that. I don't know if you have HTO. Where I live, I have a HTO. It's actually really tasty. It's tea, HTO. It's really tasty. I got the flavor cotton candy. It's like the secret menu for March. It's really tasty. Actually, it was okay. It wasn't, I'm not gonna hype it up. It was okay. It wasn't as good as you'd think it would be. But for tea, it's really good. I know what I'm doing though. Does that make sense? I know how to bleach hair. I know what to do. Let me give you all my done. So when I first colored my hair, I did like blue black box hair dye. Came out looking black because my hair's already dark brown. So then I was like, let me spice this up a bit. Let me do half red, half black. And obviously I was using box dye like from HEB. So I used black red dye and like black box dye. So that came out good. Then it faded and I was like, oh, it's school time anyways. So let me dye it black. So I did it fully black. It was 2 different shades of black, so I had to get another black and do over both blacks so it could be even. So I kept dyeing it black. Then this year I was like, I want something different. I want ginger hair. I forgot I had black box dye in my hair already. So my dumb self went and got ginger box dye, put it on my head, think it's gonna change colors. The only thing that changed was my roots, because I'm stupid. So I got bleach. And mind you, my mom didn't know I did this. The reason why I bought it in the first place is because I was gonna go get like workout stuff. And I stopped by the hair dye section, and I was standing there because I really wanted to dye my hair. I love dyeing my hair. And my sister tells me, do it, Chris, you won't. Excuse me? Do you know who I am? I know who I am. So I grabbed the bleach. I didn't grab the bleach. I grabbed the box dye, threw it in the cart, and went on live. So I went to like Dollar General. I got like the bleach kit, like a little bleach kit. And I thankfully I got this because I'm smart. I got a red, like a cherry red hair dye, and a brown hair dye. So when I went back home and bleached it and put the ginger hair dye, it came out orange. Like I didn't mean like you know, ginger orange. It was orange, like impossible. So I was like, frick. So I was like, let me put the red over it, because it was cherry red. So it was like a dark red. It came out bright red, like fiery red. And I was like, I can't have this, frick. So I was like, okay, let me get the brown hair dye. My dumb self got the freaking light brown, medium brown hair dye.
Bruh.
So I put it over. Luckily, it came out like a cherry cola, which was doable. So I had to deal with that. And then since I bleached it, it just faded out into like a ginger. So yeah, so that's that. I got a lot of compliments on that hair color. I kind of miss it already. Take this off. Ooh, how's the back looking? Please tell me it's looking good. So I'm gonna wash this out and then get back to y'all. Hey guys, I'm back. I just rinsed out the bleach. It's looking a bit orange, but it's also looking a bit blonde. So I'm gonna dry out this. And then go again with the bleach. Do I let go as a blonde, guys? I'm gonna open the Manic Panic kit now. That was weird. It like, ooh. Okay, mix it, and it says to let it stand for 1 minute so it thickens. So as that thickens, I'm just gonna talk to you guys. Look, it also came with this little mini brush. Isn't that so adorable? Oh, it has thickened quite so much. It was very like liquidy before. We shall continue. Soft and silky. The blonde doesn't look bad on me, guys. Oh, I know this is gonna burn because I washed my hair right now, so I know it's gonna itch. I am a beginner, guys. Like, I've like washed it when I was little and stuff. I'm not a hairstylist, okay? Just because I watched Brad Mondo videos when I was little doesn't mean squat. Oh, spring break, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna try to go out at least like twice this week. I'm gonna try to vlog it though, cause I do want to get back into vlogging and cause it's fun. Like I was gonna do a Minecraft series. I still have some of the episodes recorded. I think I'm gonna restart it because I just got too focused on doing it on my own. I forget record, and I did like so much progress and stuff. I still do have like tests. Like I have a test this week, an exam for my economics. So I'm gonna have to do that sometime during this week, or I could do it the day of it's due, but it's like due at noon. So I would have to do really fast, and it's timed and proctored. So it's online though, but it's proctored and it's gonna record me. So I have to like really make sure I know what I'm putting on the thing, cause I'm not trying to fail, which is kind of stupid because it's spring break. Like it's called break for a reason. Okay, that's forgot the back. Look, I'm so stupid, guys. Ew, it sounds like I'm trying to be like quirky. Like, oh my god, I'm so quirky. Ew, that's so cringe. I hate pygmies. Let's talk about that. I literally hate pygmies so much. They're so like, why do you want to be like center of attention? Now we're gonna put this little cap back on. Okay, so I'll come back to you when I need to wash this out. My sister just said I kind of look like Linda. Let us be glad God is known. Okay guys, this is it dried. I rinsed it out and dried it right now. I think this is a really good one for it to be. Guys, I'm actually kind of procrastinating to put it on my head. I'm like really terrified because what if it comes out bad? And I was hyping it up. For the dye, it doesn't matter for the roots, if you go roots and ends first, but I just gotta make sure not to get it on my hair, not on my freaking scalp or on my forehead. So now basically we're just putting the dye. Hello Chris, Mr. Obvious. Guys, y'all think Brad Mondo would react to this? Do y'all think he would? And maybe if I tagged him, if y'all really love me, y'all would tag him. Just kidding. Actually, don't tag him because I'm actually scared he'll like kind of roast me. I'm a little scared, but it looks pretty blue. But it can look really different once it's washed out. That's the thing. And I saw like half the thing left. I'm trying to make sure that all of it's coated and none of it. See, look, I almost just missed this piece. So I'm gonna just wait. So I'll get back to you once it is done processing. Okay, it is time to rinse it out now. I'm gonna take a full shower instead of just rinsing my hair. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'll get back to you once I'm done with my shower. Hi guys. It looks way more blue on camera. In person, there's like some pieces that like are a lighter shade. It kind of reminds me of like a peacock. That's that. When I wash my body, now all this is blue. That's blue. Chest is blue. Everything's blue. So that's that. But my hair is blue and it's not fully green, and that's what I really wanted. So now I'm happy. It's currently 12:30 at night. Ooh, it looks so good. Oh, my hands are blue too. Now I'm just gonna cut the mess here. And I still have a lot of hair dye left over, like a lot. The tub is a little blue too, but it's okay because it's already rainbow from my brother's pink hair and my sister's purple hair. And I realized that we're the colors of the bi flag. Oh, I look so good. Ooh, I look so good. Ooh, I look so good. Okay, guys. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my vlog. I'll see y'all in the next video. Yeah, either the next video or the next time I'm dyeing my hair. Bye, my beautiful croissants. Have a fantabulous day. Mwah. Bye, deuces.